Good morning, Saturday morning. I have woken up really early. Chris is still asleep, so I'm just sat at the desk, made a drink for myself. There we go. And I'm literally just sat at the desk, going through my diary and just going through the budget, basically. I'll see you a bit later in the day. Hi everyone. Well, do you know what? I've just been filming to discover I didn't even press the button. So I wasn't filming at all. Anyway, we're now on our way to Alison's and Dad's going to put a blind up in our kitchen for us. So we've got the good old toolkit in the back of the car, in the boot of the car. So spend some time with Alison and have a good old chinwag and a cuppa, and then a bit later on we're going off to Amanda's, and then sort of trying to do it in order. Then we're going late this afternoon and we're going to be taking Ava off, drop her off at the theatre, because obviously she needs to be there beforehand, and then we're going to go and get something to eat. That's all of us that are watching her. We're all going to go off and have some dinner somewhere, then go back to the theatre. So yeah, I'll sort of touch base with you in and out the day, and it's now currently 17 degrees and it's at 9:38 in the morning, so it's going to look to be a really lovely day today. Here's Mr. Sparkle.
Good morning, I'm your captain today. We're currently flying at 0 feet. Have a safe journey, as Julius's will be round with refreshments a little later in the day. Bye.
I think you're such a weirdo. So we're ready to go off to the theatre now, guys, and I'm going to turn the camera around and show Ava to you. There she is, all ready with her space buns.
That's loyalty card for that thing.
And just like that, the weekend is over and we're on our way home. Oops, over the humpy lumpy bits in the road. Yeah, so we're just making our way home now. We've literally just left Amanda's and we had a lovely full English breakfast there, and I didn't do any vlogging there because it was just like family time and, you know, last bit of time spent with the grandchildren. We're gonna hit the old road, aren't we? I reckon it'll be, well, it took us 3 hours to get here, so it normally only takes about sort of just over, yeah, just over 2 hours to get here. But it really didn't feel like it. Honestly, we just seemed to get clear roads, hardly any traffic, but for some reason it took hours, didn't it? It took 3 hours to get here.
Yep, I'll try and get the car into second gear next time.
It's torrential. Gonna get into Lidl's and just pick up a few bits for dinner. That had to be probably one of the quickest trips I've ever done into Lidl's. We just needed some few bits to have for dinner tonight. It's such a bargain. We got a gammon joint We got a big bag of potatoes, carrots, broccoli, cabbage, parsnips, and sandwich thins for, what was it, $7.97? $7.97, what a blooming bargain.
$7.94.
Oh, $7.94, even more of a bargain then. And we were in there, what, 10 minutes, is that?
If that.
If that. In, out, shaking all about.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, my baby! Hello! Busy, busy! Let's get busy! You don't know to go too fast, is that Oscar? There's me, look! Oscar! Oscar! Get to Mama! Good boy! Hello! Hello! What a lovely sight to come home to! Yay! What a lovely sight to come home to! Yay!
Hello.
Oscar! Look at Oscar! Oscar! Hello, my angel baby! Hello, Dad! Hello, Dad! Hello, Elsie! Hello, baby girl! You right, Luke? Good.
Can I jump up and down?
There's my angel. I'm home, guys, and I've already started cooking the dinner, started preparing it. Got the gammon in the oven and I'm sort of peeling all my veggies. So start doing my potatoes in there. Got carrots, got broccoli, got cabbage, some strawberries for later, and gammon's in the oven. So a woman's work is never done. Hi everyone. Do you know, yesterday I forgot to end the vlog, which was Sunday. Now it's Monday. To be honest, not an awful lot happened when we got home. I did cook dinner, we had dinner, and then we were absolutely shattered. So just sort of cleaned the kitchen up, relaxed for a bit in front of the TV, and then went to bed. Today's been quite a busy day again. Oh, my eye then. Today's been quite a busy day. Obviously Luke was still staying here, then Hannah came round with Lennox, and then I spoke to my daughter Holly about 3 times I think on the telephone, and then we went back, we went to Portsmouth, popped into Tesco's to get some of this horseradish and beetroot relish that I've been looking for ages. It's a Polish brand, and I was told that they sell it in Tesco's, but every time we've been to Tesco's, haven't found it anywhere, haven't found it in Kent or anywhere. So I phoned up Tesco head office yesterday to find out exactly which stores had it, and lo and behold, 2 of the stores in Portsmouth, the 2 that I don't usually go to, actually stock it. There was 3 jars left in one and 10 jars left in the other. So I picked up 2 today, and I'll show you. I'll insert a picture in here of what it looks like. Just got back home, sorted the dogs out, feel a bit deflated. I don't know if it's because my weekend's been so busy and now I just feel a little bit like bleh. I think I'm just a little bit tired and exhausted, to be honest. I thought I'd come in the garden and just sort of show you how things are doing in the garden. So I'm going to turn the camera around, but before I do, I'll be ending my vlog at the end of the pictures. So I'm going to say goodbye to you now. See you all in the next one, and thank you guys so much. I so appreciate you all being there for me. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love you to, and I'll talk to you all soon. Take care everyone. Bye bye. The little fuchsias here are doing beautifully. Still very tiny. Got a couple of weeds. I'll pull them out in a minute. Look how beautiful they are. They are so pretty. They're literally like a little dancing lady, look. Aren't they gorgeous? So pretty. So this one's doing nicely. As for my apple tree, I mean, look how many apples I've got coming on it. I have got, oh, have I got bugs on there? Yeah, I'm going to have to do a natural bug blaster, I think. So I'll be doing that shortly. But look at the apples. They're all, you see them all starting to will come and grow. I'm going to have quite a lot on here this year. Look how big they're getting. Just need the sun. Had lots of rain, but we need the sun. But yeah, it's doing beautifully. Not many of these left. They don't last long, do they? But the wisteria's starting to come out. Got a fair few buds all over the place. So yeah, this is all starting to come out. The daisies are doing nicely. Begonias, I think something might happen with those soon. Another little daisy there. Again here are the fuchsias. Fairy garden still very much needs a weed. When it stops raining, I'll come out and do it. But you can see the honeysuckle. There's lots of honeysuckle about to emerge. I've solved the problem about the plum tree as well. I've now been told that plum trees are both male and female, but you need another plum tree close by for it to be pollinated. So I think one of my friends is going to buy me one for my birthday, because it would appear that none of our neighbours actually have any. The lilac tree, everything's starting to die off there now. Well, the flowers anyway. The rhododendron, that's flowering beautifully. So I've got quite a few flowers on that. It's been scorched here. Take these off. My Acer, my little maple tree, it was down the side and it's just been killed off by the wind. I don't really know what to do. I'm going to leave it and see if it, because actually these two leaves here are new. These are new here, so I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm going to see what happens. My rose bush, beautiful. Do you remember as a child picking the rose petals and then putting them into water in a bottle, and that was your perfume? Kids don't even do that sort of thing these days, do they? But I've got to come out and deadhead all of this. Yep, she's doing good. They're doing good. Growing nicely there. Need to get them weed. The little daisies here are doing okay. The little fuchsia that I put here, starting to get lots of flowers on. And the clematis, well, not doing much. Oh, I don't know though. No, look, just starting to open there.